I am a self-proclaimed, delusional, crazy garden lady. I love gardening so much. I started on a whim, had no idea what I was doing, and I ended up being good at it, and it made me so happy, and I became so passionate about it, but I felt confident. I decided to join the Back to the Roots team because I believe in everything they believe in. You know, they want every windowsill and classroom in America to become an organic garden.
As we started to get to know Ayesha, one of the things that really struck a chord for her was this idea that every one of our products has a Grow One, Give One campaign.
Anything I do, I love when there's a give back component. Every gardening kit that you purchase, if you post that gardening kit on your social media and use the hashtag #GrowOneGiveOne, Back to the Roots will donate a gardening kit to a classroom of your choice. And so with these kits, it's great. You know, you pop them on the windowsill, take a pair of scissors, chop off your herbs, they grow back every time. It's just the perfect solution. And it's awesome because I give you a little recipe book. So whatever you're growing, you can cook a meal from these delicious fresh herbs that you've grown in your kitchen all on your own.
And this partnership with Ayesha, it started off teaching kids about where their food comes from. And I think as we got to know each other better, we realized, let's take this kind of passion and turn it into a product that we can get into every single classroom across the country.
A lot of kids don't know where their food comes from. You ask them where this tomato came from, and they say the grocery store. Teaching them how to grow their own food, it sets the foundation for teaching them how to have healthier eating habits when they get older. To be able to have this in people's homes now and make it convenient and easy for everybody and kind of foolproof, it's just a great way to start getting back to that point, getting back to the roots.